Everybody, Mike here. Mike's Computer Tips. How you all doing today? I'm glad to be here. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about computer safety, recap on the other things that we spoke about earlier in earlier videos. If you're using a laptop, make sure you keep your drinks away from the keyboard to keep your laptop safe from damage. Make sure that your power button is on. That's the little green light on your laptop power button. If you have issues with your laptop, you have to check and see if that button is lighted up green. It's supposed to be steady green all the time while your laptop is working. Another thing, make sure that power cord is not very hot. It's supposed to stay a little warm, but if it's too hot, you need to replace it. Another thing is don't stretch out the power cord, and be careful around children that can trip over it, and it can mess up the inside of it, and then your laptop won't charge. So be aware of that. That's a really important thing. And also, as I specify in other videos, don't set anything on your laptop. You know, when your laptop, you're not using it, you close it, don't ever put anything on top of it. Too much pressure will crack your screen or damage your screen. So you don't want to put anything on top. And that's very important. Another thing is, when you're charging your laptop, try to use it fully charged. Unplug it, use the battery until it goes down to about a quarter of the way, and then plug it back in to charge. You don't have to let it go all the way down dead before you charge your laptop. Charge it as it's close to the bottom, maybe 20%, 25%. Also, I recommend you using Google. Google is a good browser. So use Google. You know, Google Chrome is a very good browser. I recommend using that. I recommend using free programs like Avast Antivirus, CCleaner, and also Malwarebytes free version. Those are 3 free programs that you download and use. If you have any questions about them, you could always leave in the comments and I'll answer any questions you have. If you're on Windows 7, if you're on Windows 10, these programs work with both versions, Windows 7 and Windows 10. So do that. Be safe. Happy computing. If you have any questions, make sure you leave in the comments. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, like, share. Let your friends and family know these tips to help them with their computer. And also, I will see you in the next video. And make sure you leave comments for me. I answer all my comments. Thanks again. This is Mike from Mike's Computer Tips with a computer recap.